In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all nickname on Facebook. Alright, so I'm here on Facebook and the first thing I'm going to do is head over to Messenger. I'll just go up and click on the Messenger icon at the top and that opens up my list of conversations. Now that I can see all my chats, I'm going to pick a friend or a group where I've set a nickname before, so I'll scroll a little bit, find one of those conversations and then click on it to open it up. Once it loads, I can see the chat right in front of me. From here, I'm going to look for the option that says Customize Chat. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And this opens up a set of options where I can change things like nicknames, themes, and other chat settings. Now that I'm inside the customization settings, I'm going to find Edit Nickname. So I'll click on that, and this is where all the nicknames set in this conversation are shown. At this point I can see the nickname field, and what I'm going to do is simply clear it. So I'll click into the text field and delete the nickname that's currently there. I'll just remove all the text until the field is completely empty. Once that's cleared, the nickname is effectively removed for that person or within that group chat. I'll pause here for a second and just check the chat, and you can see that the nickname is no longer showing. Now if you have more nicknames set in other chats, you'll just repeat the same thing. So I'll go back to the Messenger list, pick another conversation, open it up, and then go into Customize Chat again. Once that's done, I'll click Edit Nickname, and just like before, I'll clear the text in the nickname field. I'll delete everything in there so it's completely blank. After doing that, I'll go back to the chat and check again, and the nickname is gone here as well. So I'll just keep doing the same process for any other chats where I've set nicknames. Open the chat, go to Customize Chat, tap Edit Nickname, and clear the text. It's the same simple process each time, and it only takes a few seconds per chat. I'll just move through another one here to show it again. Open the chat, click Customize Chat, go into Edit Nickname, and clear it out. And once that's done, that nickname is removed too. So at this point, as you go through each conversation and clear the nickname, you're basically removing all nicknames across your Messenger chats one by one. And that's really all there is to it. Once you open each chat, go into the customization settings and clear the nickname field, the nickname is removed and everything goes back to normal.